Hey guys, wanted to bring you some issues with this HP USB/C dock G5. Alright, so you can see there's a little bit of light here, but it's not working on the laptop. So here's the actual device. Can't show you the company's information or anything that we got from. You can see the two display cords right there, and then you got, this is the headphone jack, and then this is also the mouse. So the issue is also there's you can see there's also no DP signal from your device. So the issue is those two are not recognized right now, the headset, the mouse, but the internet is working, and then you also have the laptop charge. Now you can see it's now really bright. It seems like there could be more power to it or something. Here's what you could see. I put the USB of the mouse directly to the source of the laptop, and it's working fine. So that's the other reason why I think I might have a faulty docking station from HP, because the only thing that's working is the internet connection, and it is charging on the laptop that you can see right here with the C USB. So I don't know if anyone else is having the same issue. I was trying to find other YouTube videos if they had any way of troubleshooting this or anything, but I didn't find anything. So I think I might have to try to get another docking station from the company I work for, or it might not be compatible. That's the other thing I might be thinking, or the power source is not strong enough to support all these devices. So for my type of work, I have to be able to have 2 monitors at least, so to be really efficient, and for me to be able to get things done as fast as possible for this, since things are timely and we want to get things done as efficient as possible, and this is definitely not helping the source. So I guess my first call tomorrow before I start my shift will be with IT, and we'll see what they say. But if you've had the same model for the HP USB C dock G5, I don't know, I feel like it's not very designed very well or anything, but or it might be not compatible with this HP laptop with HP, which is really odd to say. But yeah, go ahead and let me know if you guys had the same issue, or if you were able to find a way to troubleshoot it. I'm not sure if it is a software issue, which I really doubt it, but go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and together we could build better tomorrow. Thanks.